Hey friend, as you can see, what's going on in this code. That is, at first I have created an scanner class object. Then I took a statement that is enter a string. Then third line is used to take a user input as a one string, and the second line we are actually the second line is for string 2. At first time I take string 1, that is str1, and I passed this str inside this string constructor to reverse the string. But in string there is no method to reverse the string directly, so at first I created this string buffer class object, and I passed this str1 inside its constructor, so that it will be considered as a one object. So now it is a string buffer object, and now I used here reverse method to reverse this object. So finally we get from here that is a reversed string, that is reverse string buffer object, that will be we have passed already inside a string constructor. So now str2 will be converted into that is a string, second string, that is in a reverse form. So in next line we are comparing str1 dot equals method used to compare two strings by phase wise, like it generally used to compare only content wise, not address wise. So str1 dot str2, if both are equal, then it will print yes it is palindrome, else it will print not a palindrome. So as we have already seen, its input and output, that is perfect, correct. Let's see how to code in Python 2. Hey friend, this is a code for palindrome string in Java, in Python. So it's quite easy in Python to check a string is palindrome or not. So very few lines of code, that is at first time we have taken s1 as a string. So in second time, in second line s2, that is a reversed string, because this reversed method returns, we have passed s1 as a argument inside its function. This reversed method will return a reversed object, that is not a string, that is a reversed object, it is a iterable type. So but we need in a string form so that we can compare. So uh, we need to join, so we use the here join method without any separator. So this s2 is reversed string now. So now we are comparing here equals to method, sorry, here we have used to compare two strings, we have used here equals operator, because is is a keyword is used to compare strings address, that is a id, but double equals to operator used to compare its contents. So if both strings contents are equals, then it is a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. So already we have checked here its input and output, so that is perfect. Hey friends, if you like this video, so please share with your friends and subscribe to my technical learning hub. Thank you. If you